The curve C1 has equation y is equals to f of x. Given that f of x is a quadratic expression, C1 has a maximum turning point at 2, 20. C1 passes through the origin. Sketch a graph of C1 showing the coordinates of any point where C1 cuts the coordinate axis. Part B, find an expression for f of x. What I'm going to do is, first I'm going to find out the expression for f of x, and then I'm going to sketch the graph here. So it's given the maximum turning point is given. If the maximum turning point is given, we know the method here, y is equals to a into x minus p the whole square plus q. This is the formula where p and q are the maximum point. So y is equals to a into p is 2, so x minus 2 the whole square plus q is 20. Our first duty is to find out what a is. So it's given that it passes through the origin. So substitute for it passes through origin means substitute for x and y 0 in order to get the value for a. So y is equals to 0, a into x is 0, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2, the whole square is 4 plus 20. 20 goes to the other side, minus 20 is equals to 4a. Therefore, a will be minus 5. So the quadratic equation is going to be y is equals to, instead of this a, replace it with minus 5. So minus 5 into x minus 2 the whole square plus 20. I'm just going to write this in the standard form of a quadratic equation. So that is minus 5 into, we know what x minus 2 the whole square, that is x square, minus 4x plus 4, and then we have this plus 20. When we expand the bracket, minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square. Minus 5 into minus 4x is positive 20x. Minus 5 into 4 is minus 20 plus 20. 20 and minus 20 gets cancelled. Your quadratic equation is going to be, or y is equal to f of x. F of x is going to be minus 5x square plus 20x. So f of x is minus 5x square plus 20x. Now, let's do the A part. B part is done. So to find the, to sketch the graph of this. So to sketch the graph, we know we need the x-intercept. X-intercept, how do we find out x-intercept? We keep y as 0. So 0 is equals to minus 5x square plus 20x. We can see that minus 5 is common here. So minus 5x is common. Basically, minus 5x is common here. We have x minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 20. So when we factorize this, we will get minus 5x into x minus 4. Equate them separately to get the x-intercept. So minus 5x is equal to 0 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. And we need to find out what y-intercept is. Y-intercept, we just have to keep x as, substitute x as 0. So when you substitute x as 0, your y is 0. So y-intercept is 0. Finally, we need to know the shape. So this is coefficient of x square is negative. That means it will be upside down parabola. So N-shaped parabola basically. So this is the origin. X-intercepts are 0 and 4. 0 and 4. And then maximum point is given here as 2 and 20. Let's say this is 2 here and 20 here. So 2, 20 will be somewhere over here. Plot. So this will be the graph. You can just mark the x and y axis. That's how we sketch. Now finally, it's given that the curve C2 has equation y is equals to x into x square minus 4. They both meet at the origin and at points P and Q. Given that the x-coordinate of the point P is negative, using algebra, show all stages of your working, find the coordinates of P. So to find the coordinate of P, I need some space. So I'll just draw a line here. Now, we know the point of intersection. How to find out the point of intersection? We equate both the right-hand side. So we have the equation as y is equals to minus 5x square plus 20x. So minus 5x square plus 20x, you equate it with x into x square minus 4. That is how we find out the point of intersection. Minus 5x square plus 20x, I can take x common from here. If I take x common, we'll be having minus 5x plus 20 is equals to x into x square minus 4. So x and x gets cancelled. So we have minus 5x plus 20 is equals to x square minus 4. Let's make this a quadratic equation by bringing all the terms to the right-hand side. So x square minus 5x goes to the other side, positive 5x. And then minus 4 minus 20 will give you minus 24 is equals to 0. Two numbers in such a way, when we multiply them, we should get minus 24. And when we add them, we should get 5. That is minus 3 and 8. Minus 3 and 8, when you multiply, you will get minus 24. And when you add them, you will get 5. So this will be x minus 3 into x plus 8 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 8. It's given that the x coordinate of the point P is negative. So we will take x as minus 8. If x is minus 8, let's take any one of this equation. I'll take the second one, x into. So y is equals to x into x square minus 4. So x is minus 8 into x square minus 8. The whole square is positive 64. 64 minus 4, that is minus 8 into 60, which is minus 480. Therefore, the coordinate of P is x is minus 8 and y is minus 408. That's how we solve this. So if you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the chat box. Thank you for watching.